Watch this video if you're nervous for GCSE results day. Are you nervous? Are you excited? Are you confused? Or do you even feel like you're cooked for your exams? Watch until the end of the video to be better prepared for Thursday's results day. Now, many of you are worried, many of you are anxious. What do I do? Have I failed? Have I passed? What do I do if I haven't made it? So watch until the end of the video to be better prepared for your exams and also moving forward in regards to the next steps. So first things first, what I would say to you all is it's to stay busy, right? So instead of just thinking and pondering, that's not going to change anything. So in the meantime, from now until results day, try to keep yourself occupied, whether playing sports, playing video games or going out with friends, etc., or learning a new skill. Keep yourself busy. The more you stay busy, the less time you'll have to think about your exam results. Number two is to make sure that you are looking at different career paths and different options. What I always recommend is don't just put all your eggs in one basket. Try to think of plan A, plan B, and plan C, because if you are prepared and if you have options laid out on the table, you're less likely to panic on results day. Okay, so that's the most important thing to do, is to plan ahead and have different options laid out in front of you, so that if things go wrong, then you have an alternative plan. Okay, and even if things do go to plan, okay, hopefully they do, then you know that you don't have to worry. And also, the third point and the last point that I wanted to emphasize is the importance of remembering that your results, your grades, don't define your future. Okay, as cliche as it sounds, okay, failing your GCSEs or getting all grade 9s, it doesn't mean you'll be a success or a failure in the future. Okay, it's just a stepping stone for your future. That's it. Okay, saying that, it doesn't mean you don't revise and do well in school and in college and university, but remember, it's something that will help open up many doors, many opportunities in the future. Now, unfortunately, many people do well, many doors, many opportunities do open for them, but many people don't take it. But on the other hand, you've got students who don't do as well, maybe get average grades, grade 4s and 5s, but they get maybe a handful of opportunities and they grab onto it. They work incredibly hard, and then they make it a success. So it really depends, and I always say this to my own students: it doesn't matter what school or college you went to. In fact, you could have gone to the worst school in the worst area in the country, but end up being a success. Okay, it all depends on the individual. Okay, so don't let these results, discourage you in terms of your future career paths. And remember, we live in 2024 where we have an abundance of opportunities. There are plenty of ways for you to earn a living, from social media to this, to to that. So don't ever count yourself out. You'll see that as long as you work hard and you are determined, you will see success in front of you. So that's that. Now, what I wanted to share is the grade boundaries, the predicted grade boundaries for AQA. So this is for AQA, GCSE Maths Higher. On the left-hand side, you have the 2024 prediction. So for grade 9, you're looking at 219 marks. For grade 8, 193. Grade 7, 164. Grade 6, 131. Grade 5, 96 marks, and grade 4, 65. And what I've done is I've compared it to last year. So if you're wondering how do I come up with these predictions, it's from previous years, okay, taking the average. Last year in green, as you can see, you required 214 marks for a 9, 186 for a 8, 158 for a 7, 125 for a 6, 92 for a 5, etc. And in purple, what I've calculated is the average mark difference from 2023 to 2024. So for a grade 9, we're looking at a 5 marks increase. I would say 5 to 7. It's not the exact number, by the way. Remember, this is predictions, so it may not be entirely accurate. For a grade 8, 7 marks. grade 7 6 marks, grade 6 6 marks, and so on. Okay, so it's just a rough estimate, so shouldn't take it exactly to the T, okay, but it's just an average. And then to those of you who are doing AQA Foundation as requested on TikTok, also don't forget that we run amazing online tuition classes taught by UK qualified teachers. We have fantastic classes, engaging classes, helping you develop your skills, your knowledge, to help you ace your exam. So if you want to achieve the best results possible, join our online classes at Easy Education London. We have English, Maths and Science and all other subjects for primary, secondary, college and also university students. So whatever your needs are, we have you covered. So spaces are filling up very quickly thanks to your support on YouTube and TikTok, and we have limited spaces. So if you are interested, contact us today on www.easyeducationlondon.com, or send us a direct message on TikTok or Instagram, or even you can send us an email, easyeducationlondon@gmail.com. Right, so this is the AQA GCSE Maths Foundation grade boundaries. For a grade 5, 167 marks. For a grade 4, 133 marks. For a grade 3, 98 marks. So this is a rough estimate of how many marks you'd need for your target grade for AQA. So this is the predicted grade boundaries for June 2024. Thank you for watching. If you did watch until the end, comment AQA is amazing. Okay, that way I know you've watched until the end, just out of curiosity. But other than that, thank you all for your continued support. Especially on TikTok, we had over 240 students join our TikTok live yesterday evening. So please kindly give us a follow on TikTok, and also please kindly subscribe on YouTube. And also, if you have any video recommendations, please let us know in the comment section. I'm interested to know what videos you all would like me to make, as we plan to get to 5k subs. The quicker we get to 5k subs, the quicker we can do a giveaway as well. So I appreciate all your support. It's been truly amazing. I'm really enjoying making content, in all honesty, for YouTube. So thank you all for your support. And yeah, this is how you will level up as a student. If you follow the tips I have provided you with, this is exactly what you need for success in terms of moving forward. Other than that, that is it for today. We shall see you hopefully tomorrow, where we'll be discussing the next steps moving forward from GCSEs and how to really ace your A-level exams as well. So thank you very much. All the best for results day, and I'm looking forward to hearing excellent news.